They'll say you could do anything. They'll say that I was clever. If we go down, then we go down together. We'll get away with everything.
Oh, we saw. Tell Sarah to wave to me. Tell Sarah wave to Katrina. What did she do? I can replace her.
No, you can replace.
No, we got.
No, thank you.
I think I have a sinus infection.
Stay away.
Is our sinus infections contagious?
Alright, well, that's done. Alright. Oh.
Hey guys, so I just wanted to let you know that if you are looking for a career that is quite easy and you can make a lot of money, become a professional cuddler. You make $60 an hour and you might not even have to pay taxes for it. Yeah.
Pay your fucking taxes.
Hold on, I need to fix my hair. All I can see, I'm gonna try and fix my hair. Alright, thanks.
I never gave Rachel her calculator back. No. What class does she have next?
Who?
Nicholson.
I don't know.
What does she have? Oh god. I'll give it to an art actually.
Wait, hold on.
Boo!
No, wait.
Hello. Hi. Hi.
Who sits next to you, Kat? Bob. Oh.
Wait, which is the game?
Diet Coke. Spawn.
Da-na-na-na.
Hashtag spawn. For anyone who gets that reference. I attack you with green pen. Green is not a creative color.
I'm gonna edit. I'm gonna end up like cutting this entire scene.
Why?
Not if I say dick monkeys.
Now you have to keep it in.
Now I just gotta keep that little snippet where I'm like, I'm gonna cut this scene. And she's like, not if I say dick monkey.
That could be your new transition. Dick monkeys.
That could be your outro. Dick monkey.
That's gonna be my... Dude, we need to make an intro where it's literally dick monkeys.
Welcome to Dick and welcome to
I
Monkeys.
finally found an intro.
She's dick, I'm monkeys and bananas.
Holds up adobo. Okay.
Dick monkeys and banana gimmicks.
We're doing history questions because school. My name is Anything for Views. Nice to meet you.
Thank you guys for giving me just a lot more editing. Ow.
Now I must do it as well.
No, it's okay.
This is my hand. Don't lick me.
I would have bitten you.
Dick monkeys.
Don't worry. We're safe from the dick monkeys here. Unless, of course, they walk in the...
She's gonna cry. No, she's crying. Cat, no. I hit her, and then I said dick monkeys really close to her face.
I suggest...
Are you okay? No. What did you do? I don't know. Why? Why don't you know what you've done? For the views.
Okay, so Ewan is trying to convince Matt to let him put his finger back. Like, leave my granola bar alone.
Don't do it, motherfucker. No, don't do it. Yay.
So there's a drug deal going down on my bus. Ewan, do you want to tell them what you gave me?
I gave... Give me one so I can show
No,
the people.
just say what they are.
I gave her some darts. Nerf darts.
Yes.
You have to call me by my YouTube name.
What's your... Oh, Irish Canadian.
No, wrong.
Canadian
Scottish.
Irish? Oh,
Scottish Canadian.
shoot.
Hashtag
Scottish Canadian.
Shout out.
Follow
Hashtag
or
shout
subscribe, don't follow.
Qualify. Subscribe for hashtag no
Where's
merchandise. No merch.
Hey guys, so I just finished work and so I work all day Saturday and Sunday, and I'm pretty sure Sarah does too. So we were thinking that we might film like an actual video and not a vlog. So just anyone who actually does watch this video, just comment down below what you would like to see us film or what you guys would like to watch. So yeah, just let us know.